Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher auto and heavy lights blinking, causes and what to do. Fix 1. Clear the blocked drain filter. You just have to pull out the bottom disc rack completely and turn the cylinder filter at the bottom counterclockwise to unlock it. Lift the filter out and rinse under the hot water to remove any grease and food slime. Check the sump hole under the filter for hard food particles, glass, plastic and remove any debris. You just have to reinsert the filter and twist it clockwise until it clicks into a place. Fix 2. Inspect the sink drain and disposal. Inspect the gray corrugated drain hose for kinks, sharp bends or pinches. Ensure the hose forms a high loop near the top of the cabinet before connecting to the pipe. Run the garbage disposal for 15 seconds to clear any foot blocking that shared drain pipe. Check that the inner plastic knockout plug in the disposal hose inlet tube was removed during installation if the disposal is new. Fix 3. Clear standing water and reset the machine. You just have to turn off the circuit breaker to the dishwasher, scoop or sponge out any standing water from the bottom of the tube. Keep the dishwasher door open and leave the power off for 15 seconds. Flip the circuit breaker back on to restore power and reset the internal computer board. You just have to close the door firmly and press the start to check if the normal cycle begins. Fix 4. Dry the bottom leak sensor pan. Keep the circuit breaker turned off for safety. Unscrew and remove the metal kick plate panel at the bottom front of the machine. Use a flashing light to inspect the plastic tray underneath the dishwasher. Wipe away any moisture or standing water in a tray with a towel or sponge. Use a hair dryer or a desk fan to dry up the bottom compartment for 10 minutes. Reinsert the kick plate panel and turn the circuit breaker back on. Thanks for watching.